and welcome to my channel, Bursts of Sunshine. Today I'm going to show you this super cute 3-tiered tray made mostly from Dollar Tree items. This costs less than $10 to make, so let's just get into it. We're going to start with a few Dollar Tree items. I have this charger plate. I also have a pizza pan. These are going to be our base. I'm going to use a pie pan, and I'm also going to use a cake pan. All of these were $1.25 each at the Dollar Tree, and you can also use stovetop burners too. I wanted wood beads, but I could not find them, so I did find these foam base fillers. This is just going to be for decorative purposes only. And I also have these little like wine glass things. I got these at a local thrift store for I think like $1 each. You can get wine glasses at Dollar Tree too, or even candlesticks. So I'm going to start with my pizza pan. This is going to be our very base, and I'm flipping mine upside down so I can use this little lip here to hold all of the little beads. Again, wood beads would have been preferred, but this was all I could find at my local Dollar Tree. They are all different sizes, so I tried to alternate big, small, so it kind of be like a pattern because I did not have enough of just the big beads, so I did alternate them to make it look like it was pretty much done on purpose. And I just went ahead and went around and placed all of my beads around and made sure I had enough to completely cover it. Now that I have all of my balls in place, I'm going to take a glue gun and I'm just going to glue all of these balls down to the pizza pan, pretty much where they are. So I'm just going to go down the line, gluing all of these down. Once that is done, I'm going to attach our charger plate on top of this, and this is going to be the top of the bottom tier. And I'm just going to put it all along the bottom of the charger plate, the part that I think will be touching the pizza pan. And then I'm going to perfectly center this on my pizza pan. I did use a cookie jar to weight it down until the glue dries. As you can see, the beads did not touch the top of the charger plate, but this did still turn out super cute, so it's not a super big deal to me. I'm going to use a measure tape, and I'm just going to find the center of my charger plate. This is so I know where to place my wine goblet. I went ahead and put my wine goblet on there centered and put some dots around so that way when I'm gluing I can easily find where they go. And I'm going to do the same for the bottom of my pie pan. I'm going to measure it out, find the center, and figure out where exactly the top of my wine glass is going to go. So now it is time to attach them. I'm going to use, again, E6000 because I want this to be a sturdy hold. I just don't think hot glue will hold up to the strength that I want this tiered tray to be. Using the E6000, I'm going to attach the wine glass to my plate, and then I'm going to apply it to the top rim of the wine glass, and then I'm going to lay my pie pan on top of it. And again, repeating that same process, I'm going to mark the middle, find where my little wine glass goes, and mark it so I know where it's going to glue to. I did wait until the first bottom half had dried before I moved to the top half. So by the time I'm doing this step, my whole bottom section and my bottom wine glass is already dried. Now again, doing the same thing with my cake pan, I'm going to measure it out, find the center so I can find exactly where my wine glass is going to go. This just makes it easier for making sure that your tiered tray is even, because you don't want it to be off weight and sideways and wonky, because then it won't hold things nicely. Again, with E6000, I'm going to put this all over the bottom rim of my wine glass. There is some Sharpie on my wine glasses because I did buy them at a thrift store, but once we paint this, you're not even going to see that, so I didn't even bother with it. I placed that onto my pie pan, and then again applied more E6000 glue to the top rim of this glass, and then I applied my cake pan. I did use the lid of the cookie jar to weight this down again until the glue dries. Again, I did this in sections, and it turned out super cute, and now it's ready to paint. I'm going to paint it white just to give me a good clean base so I can do some distressing type wood look to it. I'm going to use some acrylic paint. I have this real brown color, and this is going to be what most of this is painted with. And I'm just going to use a chip brush, and I'm just pretty much going to roughly brush this all over so it kind of gives it a sort of wooden look, but it's not really going to look like wood. As you can see, it's just kind of like a distressed kind of look. I think it turned out super cute. It's kind of boho-ish. I think it's super cute, and it's going to look great in my house. I did decide that it needed some more colors, so I did go in with this other color, Territorial Beige, just to lighten it up a little bit, give it a little more color, a little more dimension. And again, with the chip brush, I just brushed that all over randomly. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's distressed. That's kind of how it goes. So now to seal all that in, since it is just spray paint and acrylic paint, I'm going to use Mod Podge clear acrylic sealer. You can use whatever sealer you want to seal this in. This is just to protect your paint so it doesn't chip off. Once your Mod Podge or sealer is dry, you're done. That's it. You have this beautiful 3-tiered tray that you can decorate for any holiday season. It's super cute. It's actually pretty sturdy, and you got it for less than $10, guys. I love how this turned out. I hope you like it too. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.